this week it is give them breaks. Right, this is particularly relevant if you're doing a long presentation of any sort, so anything really over an hour. An hour and a half maybe you can get away with, but certainly up to 2 hours you want to give them breaks. People can't focus for too long on one thing. You've been there, you've been in the audiences where you stop being interested and you start going, oh, this is dragging on now, this is taking ages. As a presenter, what you have to do is watch for those moments. Okay, schedule in breaks. If I'm doing a long session, I will schedule breaks in, usually at about the kind of hour and 20 mark. There'll definitely be a break, but I also know where in my talk I could put a break if I think they need it. So if it's a particularly hot day or a hot room and everything's stuffy and everybody's getting a bit agitated and fidgety and zoning out, I will put a break where I didn't plan to put a break. Okay? It's better to let them go to the loo, have a drink and come back fresh than it is to keep barreling on when they're zoning out. Breaks don't have to be that either. It doesn't have to be a stop and a go away. It could be chat to the person next to you about this for 30 seconds. Okay? That creates a bit of variety in where they're focusing, lets them talk to somebody rather than just listen. Okay, but you need to break it up. We don't like focusing for extended periods of time on one thing. Schedule breaks in, be flexible, put breaks if they need breaks, and think about ways you can change the focus a bit here and there during the talk as well. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope that was fun and useful. If it was, tag somebody who hasn't seen these videos before so that they can enjoy it too. And I shall see you next week when we'll find out what's going to come up in the next instalment of 2 Minute Tip Jar. Bye.